Ghana na esi wɔ no yɛahwe a ho nkofo bi bedi Ghana anim akɔtɔn Ghana abra yɛnya awɔ sɛ Ghana na esi wɔ no yɛatɔn but na saa nkofo wɔ yɛakɔtɔn the innocent Ghanaians no will not be aware sɛ yɛatɔn.
Abusia we dey intense Miami main man Clement of Gossip24 baby obi ade on hyense komusu onyina ye ebi say King1 Ghana abefire ne pa e fan say mo enu we obeka ye abra na wa address Sam George the reactions on Igbo king in Ghana. Clement can say be e masma Clement kan no King1 Ghana abefire King1 Ghana chim that Clement ya no kwa mitua e wa Ghana e King1 Ghana abefire e no kwa wa fire Captain Smart afire Sam George Empress gift me now omunya hye me ama even Wodemaya kwa King1 Ghana akeka na adwen e da kire no ensema da ekoso aha Penyah block media mesba so any day obe like video no ada mo subscribe button so be click on notification akwa update na be kire wa adwen dia mama e wo comment section mesba so baso no wa shibi no for so enya bi ahye and for the past weeks in there Igbo king has been trending on all social media space in Ghana here man for a show concern say the man the kingdom na all start of Ghana hanom no it was empty for edum nesi from na stop because enya nice e say Ghana na ye tie man mu na obi e for make kingdom nyina ye hwe as yehu ye trust say Mahama kra I endorse no we program chief memu a ekọ ase bi as back at 2015 nyina no na man yi start ebobo sub chiefs e wo Ghana is across the 16 regions no our chief under him and this is too much. That I say this goes beyond being a leader of a clan or being a leader of a tribe in the country where they were forming kingdom and Gaza and obobo ahemfo e wo miamia as ohimpon bia otinadwam na owo other chiefs e wo nase that I say course e wo Ghana ha ama issue by no Sam George e be issue communicate ama Sam George say oh yeah say asem e ko is so bi eje to the kingdom e wo Ghana ha no de enye no kra bibia sa NCA na the rumor e ba say yes video bi start e go over say man no wa acquire 50 acres of land or the eno ebeye Igbo village any na Igbo state e wo Ghana ha no ma yes am for chirem say eno no or build empire any other be a threat to Ghana as a country no Sam George ebe di bank this particular allegation gas so that bibia say NCA say be penny for your hemfo no oh ni go plant master say yanga say dia ye ntonne ma obi a ye nton e ma obi a Sam George and no be kan Clement of Gossip24 chire mu no aga say oh all Sam George ya adwen every say be ye penny for your hemfo no omunya nkwase afo sa ese ombeda asro da krope no beton sa say 50 acres of land am ohoho as of many kingdom there they were going to be anyasa.
I don't want to say some of these things. You understand? It will be absurd for anyone to feel okay about how His Royal Majesty Chukwudu Jude Ehenetu is moving. You understand? Say all the sub chiefs near there, but it will be more absurd for anyone to think, say, he will be able to acquire 50 acres of land and build a kingdom. Ghana has no. You understand? Say Oko UK and now say Oko USA. Now say say any day Mr. Bono Hene and now say Sante Hene our USA and now say UK. Of course, what I say, but I'm just giving an example in the context. I'm sure say you understand. It's for the lack of a better word. I'm using Hene in this context. No, forgive me. Our more UK ni USA, right? Say be a Omeko a president and I say Omeko share we are say no nyam shema, right? What as Santini and I say what as Bununi and I say what as Infantini and I say what as Kraini and I say what as Eveni and I say Anglonino. And no nyam shema. Oh feel it, okay, you feel happy, you feel okay. That's how I think say the Igbos also feel. Say Omunipa Asia president and also Omunipa Asia former president. Any idea no? But how Ebia on installing sub chiefs any what have you know and any normal to hear as Ghana for no which ye na yet here. But to think say na number 2 as I say 50 acres amani there. I mean, come on.
The Clement sided with Sam George. If I can say I know there will be a day Igbo Semuka, the Kubia Enu. But I say, and I think Captain Smart so no. Abra Napa pay Ebobo him for no. Or Captain Smart as a sub chief. Is a Captain Smart officially or a Ghana Igbo man. Captain Smart a Ghana Igbo man. Emma, this issue no so Wodemaya Equatina. Twitter, I could make a polio to the interior of a sudden will be a hini obi start a hini e will fee na Ghana for that you are meanwhile ye wo Ghana for more other countries omuye chiefs ene de echire din even over Ghana was ye China city ye wo miam ye wo yato din China town ye wo China town e wo Ghana ene de yaye din but obi esni fie na wo make kingdom for himself ne Ghana ye kasa na ever ensem wa Clement e kai se wo de Sam George e ya adwene yes I don't gas so e kai ye any Captain Smart say ya born no chief under this ken ene de Wodemaya e kan eno mu ana King1 Ghana abambie ene ne Gumbe no any supplement no abeja to Clement miam chama wagene de Captain Smart agene de Wodemaya agene de Sam George agene de obi agene samba
na isi won ya hwe ya ho enkofo bi bedi Ghana enim akoton Ghana abra yenya awe se Ghana na isi won ya ton but na sa akofo we yakoton the innocent Ghanaians no will not be aware se ya ton be na sika ni gu people tom already. Have you ever wondered adenti ana MPP for intimate taking advantage of this issue with anhu saying comedy we need political points abo NDC fuachi because omu who did him. Have you ever wondered adena NDC for suntimin kabie because omu so who did him be asema ben so ye MPP NDC sam asema ben aye much more than so ye MPP ni we NDC ni me ameti hey me MPP ni pa but this matter see betimi ahwe say 4 million Igbos walking on our land fooling around and threatening yeah Ghana for no mesra say for MPP ni NDC sem ne ton chen ni dealing with this matter some way any MPP NDC sem Faton chain, me MPP ton chain. Want to follow NDC ton chain. Me dealing with this idiots and we are near Kofa and Tumefra. San Komo Yabano, I'm telling you, some Yabra Papa, and Yasam Ketwa. And question for when I'm Ghana, 4 million of them, Ekuta Ghana card. How is that possible? About 2 million of them our Ghana passport. And you think we are joking? And you think this is scandal? Hey. And we have social media influencers, bloggers. They say Clement, Gossip24 Avenue as a good Gossip Avenue. This guy, I love you so much because of your analysis, how you detail matters. And when it comes to YouTubers, my favorite fiver, and I know why I'm saying say na me watch out pa. Say dem me do wunti na me time me phone ketwa. Sam George ya suma wunti. Wo de wo so ntimi mfa NDC MPP sem to nchen. What do you mean no? And when I also camera and I also be shoot video to cover this issue and tell Ghanaians say Igbo for nye boni bia. And then I did video not to private. I was watching you because some me favorite, you know. Me prove what say 2 minutes now upload the video and I was there. Me time me phone kitwa me iPhone kitwa na me say me share Gossip24. I love Clement very much. Me analysis is powerful. But me ko tie some more beka. Me time me phone e bie beto homepage YouTube am here say me be click so na you know to enjoy him very much, you know. Train what TV so. And I'm clicking my TV, no me flash face my me hwe the ekoso. Me hwe wo a me wan sa fei ensem hunu ko na Clement keke ana me no platform we wo hwa obi anim say ye 90% accurate ye MPP ni any system wo ha adan na wonim say wo be ka asem a enye MPP any system na person will clarify that matter fine ebia wo team fine ti na wo yes a akwai ti si mu a media me nyina we ati na me nyina we ati na emom asem no tie mu ya there is nowhere in fact me Clement no minim said there is nowhere no video be anywhere said the apex for air canon say Igbo for one person mo Ghana asase no evidence is there what about them? Do you know the number of evidence videos amount for playing on YouTube? Do you know the number of Igbos how my video about bonti omo catch Ghana for say omo ban omo bomb be Ghana asase? Clement, have you seen some of the videos? Oh yes, my boy. I know you respect me very much and I love you very much. But when it comes to this matters, we're a national level. What guys are going to do? What do you Obi Besi Palace? How can a foreigner enter the National House of Chiefs? Not you the Ghana traditional area, ya gazetting is so in Ghana. Ya gazetting Nigeria. One more down. Na King Charles say the Asante Voices UK Coventry Asante for hene UK London Asante for hene. Who say UK? One more gazette will be wo. Asante for him for Roma when the gazette will be wo. Ya bupotam. I will mind him yejimi. Dia to so mienu a me pese Ghana fo hunu. Sa de na e koso ehunu. Why na woni mu no? So ko pie mu onkran a. They said the government say ye obo Asante for hene a wo Accra. So that Asante for nyina no Accra. Now ko voter region bi wo ho ye na nanu mu bia ye for unity purposes. Why na wo ne see de na kwa Accra so ko Asante for hene. A government che no an the ball na konwa sa. A wo ko see palace wa Accra. Wajimi, die wa adwemu na me kanya asasem cho. Me say me bufu afu neno enya asem gitwa. I have my time me bad life and I me upload video. Met me akọ de ku akasa kakra sa kopem say video ni besi. Ba we nya agro. Me nya bre. We nya agro. Obi a wa hwa me ache bia nim say I have videos am ko hash and am videos am ko slow. This matter no nya just hash. We makoma am boiling. And ye ma me fantini bi frame wo su ma me ni su ya. O su ya. O sekin kwana ko take Cape Coast. Mami ni su ni surumu. Ken. Me fra ho na mami ni su.
Ken. Opa o chewo. Ye be se na ni agi Ghana mani efi Nigeria fu nseme. Echwanyi want to Nigeria fo. Echwanyi want to Nigeria fo. Erade want to Nigeria fu fimani mai. Mama wenje kupa we kra baby ala.
You think this issue is something less? Onye hine wa Nigeria but onye hine wa Ghana. You are stupid and we end this MPP sap. Je be fire wo mu mienu nyina. Do me MPP ni. Je be fire wo mu mienu nyina. Na ha ba bi agro ne be ba kosie. Se MPP ni end this mo na Ghana ye omo dia ye be hwe. One said that favorite person I had want mean cancer maybe. Why had any more want to mean Kebi? Because matter one why no MPP and this is some where you Ghana level, where you limited to political party. I am an MPP, when MPP need Obio can be so MPP need chemi. But yen kun talk with me. Je be ani akofa ye MPP and this atad and watch it. Eti me video be ami wo bi asem ye biano. Ma post no for a while. These people have the history of drinking human blood. Say womu kum ni power na mu no. Ye ka say tribes omo ye cannibalism omo history no omo nananom no mu wi ni pa. Say kofo we ni e kan masem o. Omo to twa ni pa ho akwa aton. Omo history no. Clement. No masam do ja suma se be kan kwasi asem. Ana ye no me Sam George no pram hono development na me pe obi obeka che say ye den sasema Igbo bia no ye jantam no ye jimi de munimu ano no say ade a ye the national level mpo no mo the politics wurem na me beti am MPP ni no so nka me kan ma MPP say we a political point but the people has been there for 13 years Zabro Bisike more than 13 I know. About 28 years now, no more Ghana. 28 years ago, they were in Ghana. But 13 years ago, I no more officiating and metro evidence. As soon as we kept your metro evidence. 13 years ago, no more officiating. On my agenda, so more by Ghana. 13 years ago. During the time of Kufuor, they were there. But during the time of Kufuor, the agenda no so more the two tables so say, or more by Ghana. No, no, President Bay paying soon as Sassy. Me drop evidence be a seswa. When error and a Sassy. When a dwarf buy. No coincidence to say I fear the President Jan and go for Sassy. A coincidence. Me see when this when people some to change in Canada. You be well with them. Clement. And can't say we what? Mama chawa de sisi ovi na me improve nche say o video no de to ho me hu ye I ma me improve nche wan san ma to me komodie ni so me hu ye me fo ketwa no kra na bo abe because I know me di bo wure mu ama hwe ni ntini me bo YouTube na da so say ya and I'm saying me hwe wo TV ne so na say glitches e ba mu dia and ma me hwe wo me phone kitwa yi so ave me bo so ade esi ye ni Clement video na ba ye the some dodge kwat akeka no a obe defend ye nie me boss wa nie me bo video ni so na be gu so say wo de mo hwe say be ba be gu so or see the video that you are watching no aba that private video na ba that private ma me san click so na hwe nie me bo video ni say me hwe no ana we be that so Clement and no me bu enfa hunjim. This is an issue of national level. Yenya agro ni edie hwe and e da so ma twere gu so quite kitwa bi no. Se video no Clement here na video they are to private. Se we ye nyansa sem wa dey na Gossip24 avenue dey to private. Wo be ya manfo hu se we ye NDC political person bi na wo yo. Masa obi adon the political party but this issue nye NDC MPP sam. Kan no kura no party no wodi for no kan. Jimmy Semeno no Ghana ni better than Nigeria ni yenya mfaso be na afribu. I video aboka shoot video wo studio. Your time and all. I don't know how they to private. Menya abote call or platform ni mo this particular video no what the and now be we free public. Here the caption no na he and the thumbnail no call Clement one about kotwa e wa wasem we ye free ho. But I know the most important aspect. And come at twice one day me say when a pension and kofu ebo wura Ghana. Yanko hen kwasiafo yi omo advert bi omo de baaye na omo advert omo de abase 2025 omo ba ya afahye wo omo ne sai ba ya afahye ye hwe omo advert na advert ne to no ebe ka years a omo officiation we mo asem agenda we this advert omo de baaye ne be prove the number of years omo di wo Ghana since omo do omo lay omo stupid agenda do me hwe we had it. Share this advert.
Oh, Billy. Igbo pen. Igbo persono.
Woman no about that so white no on na ye Igbo fo nyina hema wo Ghana. Na sa ma me no nipa boni fo we. Ono na nam no so ama Igbo fo na nyansa ase be 4,000 plots. About 1,000 acres was central region. And come on, you better drop it. After this video, where you just a response to some George, just highlight and some evidence that I have to drop. Now you just have it.
Royal Majesty. His Royal Majesty.
I know the Jinan and Chen was screen. So, Obi, I want you to Nigeria, I had a in Ghana. I'm your friend, His Royal Majesty. Hey, now saying yes, it's here for full say in the 21st century. And then I'm going to remove UK. Hey, so His Royal Majesty. Who go pay more central region? Or Sergeant Force, you'll see a dear your park with your Tosumi and one papa be mine or Honomo. Our central region. Even President of Ghana and put friends are, or friend His Royal Majesty. Would be assassins who did me. Now, go now, what is to go or to swallow on the pallet one. I was saying, he need to one up because you do. Near Hadi.
Igbo Day in Ghana and Irigi New Year Festival 2025. All in diaspora, the Council of India.
And Penyah. 1 year Council of Elders are. They don't matter to some of the regions, 16 regions. No, we are him from our no, our Ghana no need about advert in the mono. Eastern region for him, Central region for him, Western region for Igbo for him, Accra, Igbo for him, and the Okopiem attack Friday Igbo for him, and the Northern sector Igbo for him. Yeah, you will be shocked, sir. Central region crowds who may see him walk. What guys and come on there? And the young man crying. Accra no dey almost headquarters sikiko. I want no in the palace war. Now we tune for the palace. It's Accra. Ya benya ohina oye kokwa on what chena hiniemu. Egu 16 region so. And what say Great Accra and head office. One of the palace is here. You still can't see how big this is. Our access to the president more than what we shame ya we any you know. Okromo hine. Our access more than Ukromini. Ukromini be who president that is what show more the National House of Chiefs. But I can't wait to me call. When you just that's see in India, when you just some of the chiefs are or that one of the regions are no. If both for any way to me come a hammer any at any time. Messi and Yabe. Yabe show Yabe. Why person and go for way by officiate or more agenda or more better and Yamana Mecca. Would they ever
the Ichie chiefs, all the titled men, professionals, promoters of cultural and traditional worldwide, and the general public are specially invited under the promoters of cultural and traditional worldwide, and the general public.
So eti hwe ni ye pa hwe video wi mami nya ne kese ne hwe akonya na oteso no se ebi no tumfo okra akonya woteso no saa de te ana ya bote ne hwe ni ye pa mami ten screen no na hwe ni ye hwe golden such a throne akonya ahenie a wodi wo Ghana onu Igbo ni no onu Igbo ni no hwe akonya woteso okuro mo hene na akonya sei ne te you can't crash will be a fool because we anything you would take on. We come with Hinakonya or Tisu would in Ghana say that here. Hey, Ghana yet you. Debbie, Mammy Ramati, not young advert, and young advert because in same room.
Are specially invited under the Royal Majesty is a Dr. Ambassador to put a Jude here too is in Igbo Ghana at the Igbo Day and Iriji New Yam Festival 2025. Theme sustaining the cultural and traditional of Igbo in Ghana. Date Sunday 21st September 2025. Venue Efua Sunderland Children's Park opposite Kempiski Hotel Accra Ghana. Time 12 noon prompt with red carpet display. There will be an annual inaugural lecture and award dinner night to mark the time.
Now look at the ending part of the advert. What was it? There's going to be an inaugural lecture of the 13th anniversary of the Igbo Diaspora Development Conference. It is officially from their first day conference to announce their first year. ABC and net 2025 week. They are going to have their developmental conference for Igbo 4 agenda say one more Ghana no the 13th anniversary omo bedino and one advert ni na busan ho say 13th anniversary dia any 13 years ago when Nana here the president of the Republic of Ghana yan time free Atamos time Atamos was 2009 24th of July 2012 Anna Atamos ewuye July Anna Mahama be taking over that was the month Atamos ewuye if so dia calculated from 2012 never had yes embassy 13 no pepepa and Mahama ye president ya you MPP we any system to change the and you will see say 13 years ago no, was exactly the time of President Mahama not Abrana Ghana from to Obama and so my president do Atamis wu no Mahama betama kodwanwa ana sanko fuwe agenda no ebowura Ghana and you think a coincidence in the yanke anuntum hwene because who ye NEC the yanton Ghana na ba so wutimubi ufri eastern ufri central ufri the northern sector northern a same normal chitwo for Igbo you ho normal chitwo for and so if you are not there and you are watching me and you think this matter no a MPP NEC some NEC wona akoka inti yanka wasam a e wa wasam. Now the mistake the MPP did, they said, "Woman should be pay a konyo be president akufo ado time no." Corruption of people are nobody MPP and akufo ado chino. Into woman to me and sack that agenda we and kill the agenda. They wallowed through it and the corruption. Yes, she said brown envelope mama woman. To the sense that even the former IGP George Damparempo, one is how Igbo chief we, I will pictures for her. Akufo ado didn't do anything about it because of corruption. So now you see where it comes from. And this is for the share as here. Igbo has been in Ghana since 20-something years. Before time when you know more. But the agenda so more laying it down. So more bedin some money at the Ghana no 13 years. And this 2025 number celebrating 13th year anniversary. There's gonna be a conference at one of the biggest hotels in Ghana. Omo be a fashion September we were Ghana. Actually say woman bagana and they were tribe Igbo Ghana they from the Igbos nti say emfantifo media fashion asantifo media fashion and the Igbo for media fashion. You see where the issue is going. This issue is not small. What to my what about now? And you think this issue is a joke? And then one Captain Smart into me can't say me because ordinary Jimmy was here seeing it. Most of you have seen the video. Captain Smart. You see, so your favorite people are show mono. I don't know what mean can say maybe because the matter no what MPP and what NDC. So if you see videos of Mahama and this guy, then you see fear in the eyes of our president. This is not a joke. You see, and Kofu sponsor Mahama to the extent that Mahama Igbo King1 anymore. Untimi shene ninko shuyem. Or the shroni hune a kasa channel. What to my mo? But the president is no kwasiawe. This issue, do you think is going to end? And no more baba suma one more bloggers and say, one more counter this issue because I can't get president, you know. I mean, show video bu hana hema hama wakasa, neti and enum kasano. She Igbo no, she Igbo no, Penyah no, she the Nikos Yaso here, president, name straight by a president in intimi, she the Nim Wakasa. This is sad. You heard this video, the radio, share the
this position, and I want to thank you for what you're doing for your people. We know the Igbos are very creative.
And, to me, head any moon casa.
You tell your own story. We are absorbing a lot of Igbo words into our own language here in Ghana. So,
Igbo can our confidence and say, I can't hear now so you NDC into what me and your protest and concern matter way. And tell your president and they say, John Dramani Mahama, regardless of whatever that has happened in the past, when it's shameful, let's sack this food from our land. I didn't know me America. Do you know me America and say Omukuta fake voters ID card and on the Twabama NDC? Eddie Bio, wo Eddie and what Mahama, when our second 4 years a year. Unya bibio udu president obi azu ntimi mpamo enti kan kora ebikura nya me de wo baaye se ofo yesi brand be correct all the errors you did in the past yempamo nkofo yimfiri yan sas so hwe your president ntimi hwa akwa na nim nkasa ya de
and so we appreciate, you know, the creativity of your people. And your people are very enterprising. Wherever they go, they are able to, you know, survive and, you know, make the best of the opportunity. And I mean, for you radiate that, you know, confidence and, you know, humility at the same time. And I know that one of the influences to make your people law-abiding within Ghana and to keep according to the laws of Ghana.
I was a president in India, Musuba, into or catch almost said, the Hiana said, oh man, and call for the law abiding. How can you control somebody to be law abiding? Now, Ghana for is peaceful, no, can we control us? See, me control Ghana for so accurately, Naka prisons, you're close to Ghana to be law abiding. In the eye, won't cry, pray. And no cause one prison, and what Tata Sadi. We are suffering. You even control ye to be law abiding. Nany power, Nimni Pekum now, Obekata said to be law abiding. Oh, call it danger. Now we are Wakata Ghana for say, I'm aware some may call it danger, but we are Mashamo. You saw it, and you're American. And go for this almost 13 year anniversary no moody. Calculated from 2025 way, 13 years ago, see here. A 2025 video, I bet Tomo Diabano. And after that, no, I'm going to Mahama wa 2025, he said. Omo baby a fashion, September into Omo invite no. And Mahama didn't seem to that. And the president was said you put it to me so be any minute Casa or shark way any minute Casa as the president. Then president intimidation on him. What's your potential and confidence? Show your president in him to say Ghana Yanidra. And you think that this issue we shouldn't talk about it.
Obviously, we'll take note of the date. It's good that you're giving us such long notice, and so it makes it easier for us to plan around the date. And so we'll take note of the date.
This is sad. Wait, I don't go say, Emma, my Ghana. See a TMI move. Now this nonsense is going on, and the Obeka wants some say MPP any system. I am telling you something. Regardless of however you would tag me, say be MPP Nina American wants some. They say no kure and the betting yaju mine. This issue, the MPPs came, they watched because within the span of the 13 years, MPP fought me betrayed and gunko fuwe omukuro and pamuomo. They also wallow through the sin. Emma Mahama sa kwaba. Now the American say, I believe, saying I mean, Mahama Sababa, and Kofu Yako about 13 years ago, no, Pam one more. Now, one way Musu form a ball, man. I am man for Sas, yes or so. In my DM skin, that's when there is a clash, there is a war in Ghana. I don't know why for the past weeks, but in some way, about this week, the man said no, a war neighbor because currently, if there are 4 million Igbos in Ghana, you think this is not sad? Oh, Jane said, and come away and after war. The media personalities and come with these or mobile Kwama and one, or no what was it was seen in here, was see Captain Smart in Ghana. Ye media personalities. Our Beckham had a moment to say you didn't kutas as well. Ye see, one who wants to be Captain Smart in it. And the year can't Igbo chiefs in one. One more sharp a payasia, Captain Smart, a can who a be. Ye heavy, ye heavy, ye heavy. Captain Smart in years in it.
This song is supposed to be
na he nche ne de aba no ai Captain Smart a he nche ne de aba no ente de be opportunity na pampo ai agari ye Jimmy. My God. Inti ya swear the in and common in an say yes swear the in. Yes swear Captain Smart in. The we are there in a hen charge no. Asia. What woman mu ho go na ebe si wo hene. Ya bodaw. Oh my God na be yi na check. Ai. Eni ekwenu. Ye de na hen chain atuni kom and ye de abode kom mpresa no. The agenda no kwasiafo we nyina ka ho bi. You see the agenda no kwasiafo we nyina ka ho bi. My God. It's not small minded. Who still want to say enye hu. Any well, I said what? I want to change in a pump a million go. Letiko Judas. Yeah, the nature of the Trison Prince, Captain Smart, no. I want no idea. Ghana, we are not serious as a country. One of the biggest journalists we have in the country is part of these things. And still, you think this issue and yes scary. Ain't you know? I have wrong second. Or bash the NDC no say. Woman and nam woman so buy. And you're wrong say me catch your MPP for one say. Woman so when we are foolish say woman watch this issue I'm gonna kwaba beto mahama. Because if they are also very genuine and clear, when they came to power they saw this. They were supposed to put a stop to it. And until I make a chair say this issue near MPP and this is woman you do now whom to see a fire woman you know. Near we are Yawroy MPP and this is not to change near Pamunko for your mere blood sackesi. And then Nipa Hukwa market no Ghana pa na matisi yesi omunya honem duane pa ato. Inti sisi and Chanwati see a kun will be a wood me a trust sebi na si hu baby the tobacco. Obi sebi ne bema kɔ na motuom yɛtwa obi he yɛtwa na so ne taxi mani one ne see tutu na body ne da hɔ side news we asase ebobo ba wɔ Ghana. You think who is doing that? Which group of people are doing that? And then coincidentally in the history of Ghana for the past 13 years and as our body we rising pa. You think say ya kran kwa na esi and the bantama the Igbos in Kumasi, ya Bantama boso. Swami, need impress so. One more yard jabosu in our Santa region. You will be shocked. The number of Igbo from what Santa region currently. Eastern region is crazy. And then we call life. ɛwɔ TikTok na nsɛm a mekɔ burugu so no ne mo bɛkyɛ the next video no watie Ghana for mo ba so be join in conversation ɔmo adwen kyerɛ a ɔmo de bɛto dwa ɛne sɛ ne Ghana for buafuo on this matters and you'll be shocked say NDC for mo ba platform no sompo ɔmo kyerɛ wɔn adwen ɛma ne yɛ fɛ dodo kyerɛ sɛ Ghana sɛ Mahama no was all fire na mayɛ ya ne yɛde ne baayɛ yɛn kyerɛ ne sɛ yɛn ne yɛde ne baayɛ ɔnyɛ ne yɛ pɛ mayɛ kɛkɛ and if this issue sleeps then we continue our MPP NDC divisional issues. But then let's join hands and sack these devils in free mind. You better name about 4 million Igbos to tell us what to do. That Igbo be catch again Ghana for. And I'm sure they'll be joining life in Igbo here. Igbo need to catch Ghana and he say Ghana no there. Some moment Ghana for someone to mean because of Asa. Muntunko Burkina. Munja Ghana no ho. MIA. Such a sad issue. Think this is a joke? The media personalities and yet me. Better now, you better no credit bia. You better dropping more evidence on this issue. And as I said earlier, when and I'm so our motor is an when and I'm so our this aboni, our most schools, willing and possess young chile Igbo language, schools for most Nigerian Casa yen Ghana educational system. School bill may see Igbo, and you think this is a joke. They had your baby on here different Igbo boy. And you know me. Igbos must leave. Protest the Igbos must leave. Save Ghana now. And I would love to see MPP in Penyah to join the protest. NDC in Penyah to join the protest. And I'll be glad to see Mahama join the protest. The Igbos must leave. I don't know better name my money. Ufu Krum, ABC Palace. Gazetted. Hey, are we normal?
You know, your mama, comment section. Clement, we are normal. I say, I'll take what I say. You got the back. We are the back. I have a broke media.